It's a 36th session of Industrial Economics. It is related to role and functions of SIDBI. First of all, introduction. In order to promote small-scale industries in the country, a special act was passed in Parliament in April 1990 for starting of Small Industries Development Bank of India. SIDBI is a wholly owned subsidiary of IDBI. It is providing assistance to all those institutions which are promoting small-scale industries. Capital of SIDBI. SIDBI has an authorized capital of rupees 100 crores, which can be increased to rupees 1000 crores. The RBI has also allocated INR 10,000 crores to SIDBI for various venture capital activities and company startups in 2015. The entire operations of IDBI connected with small scale industries are now handed over to SIDBI. Objectives of SIDBI. First objective is to promote marketing of products of small scale sector. Second objective, to upgrade technology and also undertaking modernization of small scale units. Third one, to provide more financial assistance to small scale, ancillary and tiny sector. Fourth objective, to encourage employment oriented industries. Fifth objective, to coordinate all the other institutions involved in the promotion of small scale industries. Role of SIDBI. So role of SIDBI can be explained with the following point. The first point is SIDBI Venture Capital Limited SVLC for providing venture capital assistance to MSMEs. Second, Micro Units Development and Refinance Agency Mudra for funding the unfunded micro enterprises in the country. Third one, Receivable Exchange of India Limited RXIL to enable faster realization of receivable by MSMEs. Fourth one, SM Era Ratings Limited for credit rating of MSMEs renamed as Acute Rating and Research Limited. Fifth one, India SME Technology Service Limited for technology advisory and consultancy services. Sixth one, India SME Asset Reconstruction Company Limited for speeder resolution of non-performing assets in the MSME sector. Functions of SIDBI. First function is SIDBI finances loans extended by the primary lending institutions to small-scale industrial units and also provides resources support to them. Second one, SIDBI discounts and rediscounts bills raising from sale of machinery to or manufactured by industrial units in the small scale sector. Third one, to expand the channels of marketing the products of small scale industries sector in domestic and international market. Fourth one, it provides services like leasing, factoring, etc. to industrial concerns in the small scale sector. Fifth one, to promote employment oriented industries, especially in semi urban areas, to create more employment opportunities and thereby checking migration of people to urban areas. Sixth one, to initiate steps for technological upgradation and modernization of existing units. Seventh one, SIDBI facilitates timely flow of credit for both term loans and working capitals to SSI in collaboration with commercial banks. Eighth one, SIDBI co-promotes state-level venture funds in association with respective state government. Summary of this session is the SIDBI as the principal financial institution of promotion, financing and development of industry in the small scale sector has been assisting the entire spectrum of the SSI sector.